Today we're here to have a look at the Cat 735 truck and the K-Tec 1228 tandem scrapers. This Cat 35 tonne truck has the C13 engine in it, which produces 424 horsepower, and with the 6 forward gears has a max travelling speed of 57 kilometres an hour. On the back of this truck we incorporate multiple K-Tec components, which consist of a fender kit, a catwalk and platform kit, the filters, and also the hitch frame that secures the tandem unit. Like all of our K-Tec scrapers, there's multiple cutting edge options. As you'll see on this unit, it's got the drop stinger, which allows this smaller truck to load this massive scraper. This single 1228 scraper has a capacity of 21.4 cubic metres, but if you're utilising this large tandem, it has a capacity of 44.8. The great thing about running a tandem scraper not only reduces your operator cost, but it also doubles your capacity and reduces your cost per cubic metre. Due to the articulation points, enables this to be an extremely flexible unit, so you can still utilise it on your smaller construction sites. Another great feature about these K-Tec tandem scrapers is if you've got some tough site conditions, you can still utilise this rear push block and push it with a push tractor or a dozer. As you can see, this machine's been set up with a few features for mining requirements, such as e-stops, fire extinguishers, fire suppression, auto grease and call signs. Part of our capabilities here at Dom Distribution is to tailor these machines to your farming, civil or mining requirements. If you've got a project coming up and you need assistance, please come down and see us at Dom Distribution.